Syncing your Fitbit watch with your iPhone's Apple Health app is a common request among Fitbit users. Unfortunately, as of today, Fitbit's official app doesn't offer this service. That's where third-party apps come in handy, like the one we're going to use, Sync Fitbit to Health SyncFit. With just a quick download from the App Store, link in the description, you can start syncing your Fitbit data hassle-free. Once you've downloaded the app, the first step is to grant it permission to access your Apple Health data. You have the flexibility to choose which sections you want to update, or simply toggle Turn on All. After granting permission to access your Apple Health app on your iPhone, you'll need to authorize the app to access your Fitbit data by logging in. Rest assured, when authorizing the app to access your Fitbit data, we use Fitbit's official login window, ensuring the safety of your password and user info. To ensure accurate data representation, it's important to prevent any double data entry. Your iPhone tracks motion and fitness with its own sensors, so we'll guide you through disabling this feature. We'll also provide instructions on how to delete any previously recorded data on your Apple Health app, ensuring a clean slate for your Fitbit data sync. The app will sync every tracked data on your Fitbit from present to past in the following days. Want to see only your Fitbit data on your Apple Health app? No problem, we'll walk you through the process. Finally, you'll be able to customize your sync preferences, selecting which data you want to sync. A simple tap on each data type will turn on syncing, and with a click on Synchronize Now, you're all set. The app will handle the rest, syncing your data seamlessly in the background, allowing you to track your fitness journey via Apple Health. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and streamline your Fitbit data syncing experience with Sync Fitbit to Health SyncFit. Find the link in the description below.